Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a large box to unbox here. This is a watch that was sent over again from Saltzmans watches, so really appreciate them sending watches over for us to check out. I did pre-cut some of this already since it's be too big to cut it open on the table here anyway. So this is an Oris, I don't know if it's Aquis or Aquis dive watch. I've always wanted to buy one and check it out, but something else has always come up. So when they offered to send this over, I was really excited to check it out. So let's get this thing open here. And this one has the new movement. Oh, we got peanuts in here. I might have to pause the video so I don't lose all these. Hold on a second, I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. I didn't want to just spill the peanuts all over the place. So it's a big box. I can see why it came in a big box. Oris. And actually, the watch in my collection I have worn the most is an Oris. And I'm trying to find it. I don't know where the heck I put that thing. Anyway, maybe it'll make an appearance in the full presentation, but I have worn this other Oris for a long time. Bought it used, 10 years ago. Never had it serviced either, so but I guess that's a story for another day. It's actually I have it featured in my introduction video. But anyway, let's get this thing open. I'm really excited to check this out. Yeah, like I mentioned, this has the new movement in here, the new in-house movement. So very cool. Really appreciate them sending this over for us to check out. I'll be sending this watch back in a little bit here, but all right, let's move this off to the side. And I'll leave a link in the description to both their website and their Instagram account. And mine will be linked as well. Let's see, how does this thing open? I don't want to mess it up. There we go. Oh yeah, very cool. Gorgeous dial in this thing too. Look at that. I was going to say these have kind of an integrated bracelet, but not really. So this one is on strap. And I say it's kind of integrated because it has this goofy lug pattern. So you either have to get their bracelet or their rubber strap here. Oh yeah, that dial is very cool. Looks to be a ceramic bezel insert as well. Let me get this. Oh, that's cool. It has a deployant clasp. I don't have much experience with these. It looks to be adjustable on the fly here. It has some kind of micro adjust here too. Obviously, I'm not going to be. I'm assuming you'd have to cut this. I'm not cutting it. It's not my watch. So yeah, that dial color is very nice. Maybe I'll compare this to my Zelos Mako, kind of a similar case shape, and I have a similar dial color on that one. $120 click bezel. Very nice positive clicks. If you guys can hear that or not. Yeah, I kind of remember that too. It has these lugs that I don't know if they're actually screwed on or not. I need to change my camera one of these days. Why won't you focus? There we go. Signed crown. Oh, that's cool. So the screw pattern on these crown guards, or the screw head, is the same as these ones here. These little tri-slotted screw heads. Oh, Man, look at that. I didn't even know I had a display case back. It's not decorated or anything, but it's still cool to look at. I like that rotor too. I'm going to need to read up on this movement, do a little more research. I know it's their new in-house movement. I think they had some problems with it at the very beginning of the launch. Yeah, very cool. I wonder if this is a quick... I don't know. Yeah, I have some more research to do. So let me just get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. So it must be the MSRP, $3,300. 20039, I'm assuming, is the model number. Oris Aquis, date Cal 400, stainless steel case, anti-reflective crystal, water resistant, 300 meter. Wow, that's... I was assuming it was 200. So we'll check the thickness and everything in the full presentation. Okay, so this side does not have the screws. Interesting. All right, let me get this on wrist. Oh, so it does have... I can change the pin here. I'll play around with it a little bit and report out in a few days here. Let me know what you think of this watch and this dial color. I can't wait to get out in the sunlight and I'll put some pictures on Instagram. All right, that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I'll catch you on the next one.